Animal, it's a handful.
Yeah.
Overwhelming. Like it's new to you. All this hurt I done put you through. I just wanna take the time to say you beautiful. Say you beautiful. All this hurt I done put you through. Like it's new to you. Overwhelming, it's a handful. You know you beautiful.
Yeah, you is, baby.
Gotta tell you that. Know I put you through.
Yeah.
Apologize for all this bullshit I put you through. I know I lied all them times, but baby, this the truth. I just want you by my side when we in that coupe. I just want you by my side, ain't nobody new. Go shopping for shoes, reservation for two. It ain't up to me, girl, it's up to you. So where you wanna go, what you wanna do, what you like to eat, what's your favorite food?
Oh, you like pizza too?
This what we need to do. Order a couple boxes, baby, eat for two. Or get you out this place so we can get a room. Take you somewhere different, you can see the view. Leave your attitude at home while you being rude. Try to be nice, girl, that's something new.
Treating you right is what I wanna do. It's what I ought to do. It's what I gotta do.
Apologize for all the bullshit I put you through. Learning from my mistakes is what I had to do. Lately I've been going through it, don't know what to do. I got a son on the way, I'm a father too. The situation overwhelming, it's a handful. This is new to me, like it's new to you. All this pain, all this hurt, I done put you through. I just wanna take the time to say you're beautiful. I just wanna take the time to say you're beautiful. All this pain, all this hurt, I done put you through. Ay, this is new to me, like it's new to you. The situation overwhelming, it's a handful. I done ran it up before I ran it out. I done lost my job helping niggas out. I done found a whole lot to talk about. Still sleeping in my car trying to find a route.